This vlog is not like one of our typical vlogs. One of our main reasons for coming to Santiago was to visit my cousin. Since family time is hard to come by on our trip, we decided to put the camera down and focus on family.
We've captured some of our highlights and we hope you'll enjoy watching. We are taking
refreshed. I feel refreshed.
We are taking the day to go do another free walking tour, aka a donation-based walking tour. And so we are heading to the metro now.
Staying with family here in Santiago, so you won't see us much over the next few days, and we're gonna be at the pool, we're getting some work done, just catching up with family that we haven't seen in a while. And it's really nice here. And they have a dog. The dog is really nice. Paco. So that's always good, living with a dog. We finally made it to Metro.
The metro.
Our first metro, or our second metro in South America.
Yes.
This is the one that you really wanted to go to, right?
I know. It's supposed to be very good. Very, very good.
I saw rides every 3 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
3 minutes. That's impressive. The metro in Buenos Aires was very impressive.
Oh, it was really
And I'm really looking forward to riding this one again.
Yeah.
Trains. All I've had is coffee today.
So all this graffiti is aftermath of the protests.
You made it.
Now it's time for a quick coffee and maybe a snack before our tour starts in like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Actually made a good time.
Yeah.
Probably because of the skip subway stops.
We're a sucker for good coffee shops. Really pretty coffee shops. They get us every time.
This mural wasn't vandalized because the woman depicted, Gabrielle Garcia, I think was her name. She won the Nobel Prize in Literature and she was very for the people.
So we're standing here for 2 reasons. The first one, the building just behind me. That building has no historical importance. this term, okay?
Where are we?
We're at a fish market.
Mercado Central.
Mercado Central.
Oye, ¿por qué no pasaste a buscar al Piñera?
Well, we see all these fish. It's kind of overwhelming. The smell is fishing. We see a bunch of salmon. We see scallops with the stomach, right? Stomach, which is an orange part. We've seen full-on.
That's right here. Locals.
So we just finished our tour. We concluded with our tour guide recommended us to visit the Mercado Central de Santiago. So we went there, and it's basically a very large fish market. So we walked around, and now we are going to have lunch with our family, and yeah.
What do you think about the fish?
There were several pieces of fish that I didn't recognize what it actually was. So saw some new things. The interesting thing about the fish that our tour guide explained to us was that Chile is the longest country in the world. They also have the longest coastline, and so since the water comes up from Antarctica, they have some really fresh, unique fish.
Elliot.
Ciao, Dingo.
Ciao, Dingo.
What are you doing?
Hunting sea glass.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at those colors.
We got a blue one.
You got a blue one. Why is that special?
The blue is rare.
Awesome.
I should have a good eye, I gotta say.
Wow.
Sí. We just finished lunch here at Miramar at the beach in Quantai. The food was so good. The family was great. Now I think we're gonna go to another beach where we can kind of kick a soccer ball around and chill. It's been a great week.
just gonna focus on smiling until you.
Just keep smiling.
I'm doing great this time.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Ta-da!